Hey, Curious Dude here with another update about Van Gogh. It's been a couple of months since I've did much of an update, but spring is here now and I'm excited to share with you a little overview of what's been happening recently and what's in store in the next couple of weeks. So let's have a closer look. All right, here we go. Van Gogh's home, out of winter storage. As you can see, the weather's great here now. So Van Gogh had a wash and a bit of a light polish, but a few things that are really important and new. First of all, new windshield. Wow, what a difference. And cleaning up that old milky window, and the cracks are all gone. The seal's not cracked. I had to do a tiny bit of body work here, but it just turned out fantastic. I'm super impressed with that. I put a spare wheel cover on there just to tidy up the front end a bit. I think it looks good, nice contrast or complements the white top. Also scrubbed the top really clean and put the new luggage rack on, luggage rack seal, the gap seal, which is hard to find, new decals, and of course the new rear seal all the way around. I also did a little bit of cleanup of the canvas. I gave it a good wash, turned out really well. I apologize, I did not document doing the luggage seal. It's not hard. There's lots online, but there's 4 screws along the luggage area, and there's I think 5 or 4 that go through here, and you have to get under the headliner. Actually, it's going to pull that down a little bit to get the nuts out. Not super hard, took a few hours, but wow, did it ever clean up the appearance of the bus. It just tidies that all up. So other than a wash, not a lot done. Super impressed with these. So those are correct curtains. We'll take a closer look in a moment. Put a couple vintage decals on the bus. This bus, actually, its first road trip was actually to Seattle, right? If you've watched the history video. So in '74, the first owner's family took it all the way to Seattle, to the World's Fair, and came back through Vancouver. So I think it's just kind of cool, just to put the vintage decals on. What else we got? You can see a little bit more of the curtains in there. These curtains came from no longer available Volkswagen, nlavw.com. They're not sponsoring me. Like, these are just premium products. I've bought other things for them and they are first rate. So can't recommend them enough. Prices are a little expensive because it's from Europe. So shipping's a thing, but you know what? They are perfect replicas and they look fantastic and really clean up the interior of the bus. So you'll notice I've got a bunch of things that look like camping gear, kind of, and a lot of it's just old stuff because Van Gogh will be in an indoor car show here in just a couple of weeks time, and I'm really excited about kind of a retro display that I've got put together. So so we're just getting it all ready and packed up because we'll head down to the show on Friday. It's an annual, I think it's the 55th year for this show. It's an indoor show here in a nearby community, and so there's a few of us in the club. They're going to put a display together. So you got a sneak peek of what's happening. You got an update. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for some updates from the car show and a little bit about what next will be for Van Gogh.